Recording important moments, ideas, and information becomes much easier with a reliable voice recorder app on your Android device. Whether you need to capture meetings, lectures, interviews, music ideas, or personal notes, the right app can provide clear audio quality and useful recording features. In this video, we'll explore some of the best voice recorder apps for Android that offer simple controls, high-quality recordings, and convenient audio management tools. Let's get started. Voice Recorder Plus. Voice Recorder Plus is a reliable Android recording application designed to capture high-quality audio quickly and easily. The app is suitable for recording voice notes, meetings, lectures, interviews, personal reminders, and other important audio content. Its simple interface allows users to start recording instantly without complicated settings, making it convenient for both casual users and professionals. The application offers clear audio recording with support for different recording qualities depending on user needs. Users can manage their recordings by renaming files, organizing saved audio, and sharing recordings through various platforms. Some versions also include features such as background recording, playback controls, and audio format options for greater flexibility. Voice Recorder Plus is optimized for smooth performance while maintaining low battery and storage usage. Regular updates improve recording stability, compatibility, and overall user experience. With its easy operation, reliable performance, and useful recording features, Voice Recorder Plus is an excellent choice for Android users who need a simple and effective voice recording solution. Easy Voice Recorder. Easy Voice Recorder is one of the most popular voice recording apps for Android, offering a simple yet powerful way to record high-quality audio anytime and anywhere. Designed for students, professionals, musicians, and everyday users, the app allows users to capture lectures, meetings, interviews, music ideas, and personal voice notes with just a few taps. Its clean and intuitive interface makes recording accessible for everyone. The application supports multiple audio formats and provides different recording quality options, allowing users to choose between smaller file sizes or higher quality recordings. It also includes useful features such as background recording, widget support, cloud backup integration, playback speed adjustment, and easy file sharing. Users can organize recordings efficiently and access them whenever needed. Easy Voice Recorder is optimized for reliable performance and works smoothly on a wide range of Android devices. Regular updates continue improving audio quality, adding new features, and enhancing compatibility with modern smartphones. With its balance of simplicity and advanced functionality, it remains one of the best voice recorder apps available for Android. Voice Recorder VE Voice Memos. Voice Recorder VE Voice Memos is a versatile Android application that allows users to record and manage audio recordings quickly and conveniently. The app is designed for capturing voice notes, reminders, conversations, lectures, interviews, and other important sounds with high-quality results. Its straightforward design makes it easy for users to start recording, save files, and access their recordings whenever needed. The application provides useful recording tools, including adjustable audio quality settings, playback controls, file organization, and sharing options. Users can categorize recordings, rename files, and manage their audio library more efficiently. Some versions also include features such as background recording and noise reduction to help improve recording clarity in different environments. Voice Recorder VE Voice Memos offers smooth performance with a lightweight design that does not consume excessive system resources. Regular updates improve stability, recording quality, and compatibility with newer Android devices. With its practical features and user-friendly experience, this app is a great option for anyone who needs a dependable voice recording tool. Simple Voice Recorder. Simple Voice Recorder is a lightweight and easy-to-use Android recording application focused on providing fast and reliable audio recording without unnecessary complexity. The app is ideal for users who want a straightforward solution for recording meetings, lectures, personal notes, interviews, and everyday sounds. Its minimal interface allows users to begin recording immediately with just one tap. The application offers high-quality audio recording with support for different file formats and customizable recording settings. Users can easily manage their recordings, organize files, rename audio clips, and share them through other applications. Its simple design also makes it suitable for users who prefer a clean experience without excessive features or complicated menus. Simple Voice Recorder is optimized for efficiency, using minimal storage, battery power, and system resources. Frequent updates improve performance, reliability, and Android compatibility while maintaining its simple approach. For users who need a fast, stable, and easy-to-use recorder, Simple Voice Recorder is an excellent choice. ASR Voice Recorder. ASR Voice Recorder is a powerful Android recording application that provides professional-level audio recording features while remaining easy to use. The app is designed for recording meetings, lectures, interviews, music sessions, and personal voice notes with excellent sound quality. Its advanced features make it suitable for both everyday users and professionals who need more control over their recordings. The application supports multiple audio formats, including popular formats such as MP3, WAV, and FLAC, allowing users to choose the best option for their needs. It includes features such as automatic recording control, playback speed adjustment, cloud storage integration, bookmarking, and audio organization tools. Users can also manage large collections of recordings efficiently through its detailed file management system. ASR Voice Recorder is known for its stable performance, high-quality audio output, and extensive customization options. Regular updates continue improving compatibility, adding new functionality, and enhancing recording reliability. With its combination of advanced tools and user-friendly design, ASR Voice Recorder is one of the best voice recording apps available for Android users who want professional quality recordings. Those are our picks for the best voice recorder apps for Android. Each app offers useful recording features and high-quality audio tools to help you capture important sounds and manage your recordings easily. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy a better recording experience on your smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.